double your pepper yields with this one method. Want an easy way to double your pepper yields without putting any extra work in? This cool trick has worked for me for years, and here I am again sharing that trick with you. When it comes to gardening, most of my subscribers know I like to experiment and try unconventional methods and ideas. While I acknowledge the importance of spacing for most crops, I do peppers a little differently typically. I like to plant them in pairs, yes, in the exact same planting hole. Between planting holes, I space 12 to 18 inches, sometimes up to 24 inches, but rarely. While most people would have 6 plants in 6 different planting holes, I double it and have 12 plants in the same amount of space. Does it get crowded? Yes. Yes, it does, but that's kind of the point. Peppers love to hold hands, and when you plant 2 in one hole, it's almost like you're growing one plant with double the foliage. So why is this so great, aside from doubling your pepper harvest? All of that extra foliage helps to protect the fruits from sun scald, reducing loss. It also helps to cool the root zone and provide the plants with a little more protection during drought and extreme heat. The plants are also leaning against each other, helping to hold one another up. This will not replace staking though, so if you're growing varieties that require staking, make sure you stake them. This is especially important for the large bell peppers. Now the smaller super hots or the slender ones like cayennes, you won't need as much support for those varieties. In the end, happier, healthier plants produce more food. There are plenty of veggie plants that don't appreciate being crowded, but peppers are pretty forgiving, and honestly, when you grow them with this method, you end up with a pepper hedge rather than separate plants. You maximize your growing space, you maximize your harvest, you maximize the amount of food that you can preserve for your family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and sign up for the email list because I am always sharing tricks like this. Give it a try this year and let me know what you think. Happy growing, everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel.